everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good, and today I'm sharing a recipe of almond flour pancakes. So for that we need almond flour for sure, around 1 full cup of almond flour. And then we need 2 to 3 tablespoons of walnuts. This is totally optional if you want to add it, otherwise you can skip that. And 1 egg. 5 tablespoons of vanilla almond milk. You can add the regular milk too if you want. And few drops of vanilla extract. Then mix well. And I forgot to add the baking powder, so I'm going to add a pinch of baking powder over here, just a little bit. And then I'm going to add a bit of water to mix it, and that's how it should look. And on the other hand, I have warmed the griddle, and I'm going to spread a coconut oil with the help of the napkin. You can use any non-stick pan. I'm using the griddle. Once it's warm, and then I'm going to put the pancake mixture. You can give any shape. I'm just giving the regular round shapes, and I will let it cook until it turns a little golden brown. So after a few minutes, when it turned golden brown, just flip over gently and let it cook the other side for until 2 to 3 minutes more, or until it turns golden brown. There you go, that's how it looks. Enjoy with egg or omelette, or eat as it is with maple syrup or honey. Hopefully you like this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.